voltage measurement. Data retention can keep the current value for easy recording. DC current measurement. HFC transistor measurement to ensure that the transistor is PNP or NPN. Connect the temperature line and measure the temperature by direct contact. Button to detect whether the line is on or off. Diode measurement. Positive and negative poles need to be aligned. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured. DC voltage measurement. DC regulated power supply and measurement display. Button battery measurement display. 9-volt battery measurement display. 214 battery measurement display. 18650 battery measurement. AA model battery measurement display. AAA model battery measurement display.